Google has once again made headlines in the world of artificial intelligence with the release of Veo 3, its cutting-edge text-to-video model that's set to revolutionize how we create, consume, and monetize video content. Alongside that, another lesser-known but rapidly emerging AI platform called Manus AI is gaining traction for its powerful capabilities in automating and scaling content across multiple domains, especially finance, research, and writing. While Veo 3 is drawing attention for its jaw-dropping visuals, Manus AI is quietly building a reputation as the go-to tool for knowledge work and creative strategy. These two tools, when used together, could potentially be one of the most powerful combinations for building wealth in today's rapidly shifting economy. In this video, we'll explore exactly how these AIs work, what makes them valuable, and how you can start using them to make serious money in 2025 and beyond. Let's begin with Veo 3, Google DeepMind's newly announced video generation model that can create minute-long, high-quality 1080p videos from simple text prompts. This isn't just your typical AI slideshow creator. We're talking cinematic camera motion, precise control over visual style, and realistic character animation, all generated from natural language. Veo 3 is trained on a massive data set of video clips and enhanced with tools like generative video transformers, diffusion models, and fine-tuned prompt conditioning. What this means for creators is simple. You can now make Hollywood-grade videos without a camera, actors, or editing suite. For content entrepreneurs, this is game-changing. You could generate trailers, marketing reels, explainer content, or even full-blown animations based on trending topics in hours instead of weeks. One of the biggest wealth creation opportunities Veo 3 opens up is automated video content businesses. Imagine running multiple YouTube channels in niches like history, finance, or storytelling, where you input a script and let Veo 3 generate the visuals. No filming, no editing, just plug, prompt, and publish. The monetization doesn't stop at YouTube either. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Watch are all hungry for vertical video content. With Veo's cinematic control, you can tailor visuals to platform-specific aesthetics and keep viewers glued to your feed. It's the kind of passive content automation that turns one person into a digital media empire. But Veo 3 isn't working in isolation. Enter Manus AI, an AI content co-pilot built specifically for professionals who need speed, precision, and insight in research-heavy tasks. Unlike ChatGPT, Manus is designed to structure arguments, write long-form essays, build pitch decks, and assist in technical writing. Manus connects to a variety of sources, from academic journals to market reports, and synthesizes information in a format that's both clean and contextual. In the hands of a business-minded individual, this is a machine that can produce investment research, white papers, product strategy docs, grant applications, and high-performing SEO articles at scale. One of the top use cases for Manus AI right now is newsletter and blog monetization. If you're running a Substack, Medium blog, or niche research publication, Manus lets you crank out well-researched, citation-rich posts in record time. Add in affiliate marketing or premium subscription tiers, and you've got a system where AI not only produces the product, but drives revenue. Combined with Veo 3, you can turn each long-form blog post into a video summary distributed on YouTube or LinkedIn and funnel traffic back to your monetized writing. A major reason this duo stands out is the contrast in their core value. Veo 3 is about form, visually immersive, high-impact, emotion-driven content. Manus is about function, structured logic, sharp analysis, and clarity of thought. When paired together, they create a left brain, right brain synergy. Let's say you want to build a course on personal finance or productivity. Manus writes the scripts, provides references, and organizes lessons. Veo 3 turns those into professional videos with motion graphics and character animations. You've just built a digital product in days, not months. Now here's where things get interesting. With the rise of AI agents, autonomous workflows made of multiple AI tools, you can actually automate the process of ideation to publishing. For example, use Manus AI to scan trending data in your niche, have it generate a detailed script, then feed that script into Veo 3 to create the visuals. Add voiceover using 11 Labs or Google's own AI speech, and you've got a ready-to-upload video. Integrate that into a Notion dashboard, and your video business runs like a content factory. The barrier to entry is also shrinking fast. Veo 3 is currently in limited access through Google Labs, but it's expected to roll out widely in the second half of 2025. Meanwhile, Manus AI is already available through a freemium model. For under $100 a month, you can build a full-stack creative business powered by tools that would have cost tens of thousands of dollars just a few years ago. The only thing you need is strategic vision and consistent execution. Let's talk numbers. The global creator economy is projected to hit $480 billion by 2027, according to Goldman Sachs. The majority of that will go to creators who can produce high-quality content at scale. That's where AI tools like Veo and Manus give you an unfair advantage. You're not just working faster, you're creating a new category of content that wasn't possible before. For example, AI-generated explainer videos in regional languages, hyper-niche educational content, or real-time news summaries delivered in video format. These formats will dominate the attention economy over the next few years. Another underappreciated way to make money with this AI duo is through client work and services. Many small businesses, influencers, and educators are desperate for video and written content, but don't have the time or skills to produce it. If you can package Manus plus Veo as a service, AI-powered content creation, you can charge premium rates for blog-to-video conversions, course development, brand storytelling, and pitch deck visualizations. Build a portfolio using these tools, land a few clients, and scale up with standard operating procedures. It's a done-for-you agency model without the overhead. Even in the world of investing, these tools have utility. Manus AI can process quarterly reports, earnings calls, and macroeconomic indicators to produce actionable insights. If you trade stocks, crypto, or real estate, you can build your own internal research engine. Pair that with Veo-generated visual explainers on your findings, and you're building a content moat around your trading signals, perfect for growing a paid community or newsletter. Veo 3 also has potential in the world of virtual influencers and digital avatars. The rise of AI-generated personas, you can now create a consistent online character that appears in your videos, interacts with fans, and builds a brand, all powered by Veo's realism. Manus AI can then act as the voice of that influencer, writing posts, replying to comments, and even generating dialogue for interactive live streams. This is already happening in places like South Korea and Japan. It won't be long before the top 100 influencers on YouTube include some that are fully AI-generated, owned and operated by one savvy entrepreneur with a laptop. Of course, none of this guarantees success without effort. The key is knowing how to use the tools better than the average person. Spend time learning prompt engineering for Veo. Understand how to control lighting, motion, character behavior, and scene composition. With Manus, get familiar with topic modeling, semantic search, and structuring persuasive arguments. The better your inputs, the more valuable your outputs. This is what separates real wealth building from casual experimentation. We're in the early innings of the AI revolution. In the same way social media created a new wave of millionaires in the 2010s, AI is doing the same in the 2020s, but faster and more globally. The difference is that this time, content creation is being democratized to such an extent that creativity, not capital, is the main barrier. You don't need investors or a production team. You need a laptop, internet, and two tools: Manus for ideas and writing, and Veo for visuals and engagement. So what should you do today? Start by signing up for Manus AI and experimenting with different use cases. Write a newsletter post, generate a marketing email, create a thought leadership article, then study the available demos of Veo 3 and prepare a portfolio of prompts and scripts ready for video generation once you gain access. Build systems, not one-off projects. Treat AI as a business partner, not just a productivity tool. In the end, the biggest opportunity here isn't just making money, it's building leverage. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't get tired, it doesn't ask for raises. Every hour it works for you is an hour you're gaining back to think, grow, and expand. The people who harness that leverage today will be the ones owning the platforms tomorrow. And this is why the combination of Google Veo 3 and Manus AI is more than just a trending topic. It's a roadmap, a new blueprint for wealth creation that doesn't require coding, connections, or capital, just the curiosity to learn and the consistency to build. If you start now, you're still early. And in the AI era, being early is the closest thing to guaranteed upside.